In this video, you'll learn how to use Claude Code for Node.js. By following these steps, you will set up a project, create a script, and run it to interact with the Claude API. Start by launching PowerShell on your computer. Once open, type Node-V and press enter. This command checks if Node.js is installed and displays the current version. Next, type npm-v to verify that npm, the Node.js package manager, is also installed. If both commands return version numbers, you are ready to proceed. Now create a folder for your project. In PowerShell, type mkdir Claude test and press enter. This command generates a new directory named Claude test. After the folder is created, navigate into it by typing cd Claude test and pressing enter. Once inside the folder, initiate a new Node.js project by entering npm init-y. This command generates a default package.json file with the necessary configurations. Next, install the Axios library, which allows you to make HTTP requests. Type npm install Axios and hit enter to complete the installation. The next step involves creating a script file named Claude.js. In PowerShell, type notepad claude.js quote and press enter. This command opens Notepad with a new file ready for editing. Paste the following code into Notepad. Import Axios const API underscore k equals yard underscore code underscore API underscore k. Async function asks Cloud. Prompt const res API ons a post API ons dot post o ATPS / API ons post moblau cloud max underscore tokens underscore sample 200 advertised authorization bearer taught serving cannot application / JSON content type application / JSON console.log res.data.completion. Ask Claude write a Node.js function that returns the current date. Ensure to replace your underscore CLADO underscore code underscore AP underscore key with your actual API key. After pasting the code, save the file by clicking File and then Save, or by pressing Ctrl and S. Close Notepad to return to PowerShell. You are now ready to run your script. In PowerShell, type node claude.js quote and press enter. This command executes the script you just created. Upon running the script, you should see Claude's response displayed in the console. This output confirms that your setup is successful and that you can communicate with the Claude API effectively. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection and ensure that your API key is valid. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.